hunted and all. I messed up. I erased it. So it's 6-7. I'm getting that in mind because 6-7, 6-7, 6-7, 6-7. My class is 6-7. 6-7, 6-7, 6-7. Even the grade 6s. 6-7, 6-7, 6-7, 6-7. So I'm just gonna get this back. This, by the way, this is what I look like when I'm going to school. Papa. Ah. Oh, baby. Ah. So when I sneeze or something like that, I said this. Sorry. So like a pick me voice. That's right. A pick me voice. I said. Sorry. Like what? Sorry. I'm just gonna say sorry. I snooze. But instead I say sorry with a pitch voice. My mom is kind of holding me respect. So I'm now eating it while I'm getting this back. Okay, bye.
Ang sa akin, ang alam ko, yung butas na yung sinasalinan, kailangan puno yun. Eh, sinasabi lang, masisira lang sa kaupusan naman lang yun, kung nakalimutan. Natin yun. Mahaba ang bakasyon ko ngayon, overhaul yung kailang mo, sira. Busy ako ng Martes, Miyerkules, Biyernes. Isang araw busy na.
Oh, I forgot. Sorry, I don't have any time left. So, bye-bye. Bye. Laba-laba to.